Treating pain has always been tricky business and has played a significant role in the opioid epidemic we're dealing with today. Well, some new technology might help in this realm. Allie Peters joins us now in studio to tell us about one place already relying on it. Allie.
Yeah, Adam, Ortho Laser Orthopedic Laser Centers opened in Rochester about 10 months ago. Their focus, just like their name says, is using laser therapy to help patients who are dealing with pain. The founder of the company tells me this non-invasive drug-free treatment has become even more important in this day and age. After tearing her tendon, Gail Perello searched for a way to help the pain.
There's no guarantee when you have surgery, especially this kind of surgery that has to do, with the tendons, the expense of it, and then just the recuperation from everything. Instead
of surgery, Perello turned to a new treatment being offered in Rochester called laser therapy.
Honestly, it has totally saved my life. It's wonderful. It's a godsend.
The laser coming from this little robot, entering damaged cells to provide healing.
The light energy gets into the cells about 5 to 6 centimeters into the tissue, and it helps to reduce inflammation. It turns off the inflammatory process, which means for the patient, less pain, improved function, without necessarily having pills, injections, and even potentially to prevent surgery as well.
Founder of Ortho Laser, Dr. Scott Sigmund, says that therapy has been big for patients not wanting to rely on pills to help with pain.
Unfortunately, the operating room sort of became an inadvertent gateway to the opioid crisis, right? You have surgery, you're in pain, we provide you narcotics. Unfortunately, they're highly addictive and they create issues. And I like to say, like, the opioid epidemic is the forgotten epidemic in the setting of a worldwide pandemic.
And as some hospitals postpone elective surgeries due to COVID spikes or staffing, Dr. Sigmund says this type of treatment has come in handy.
You can have these treatments, you can still have your surgery down the line if you need it. And for many patients, believe it or not, they come in, they have their treatments, they get pain relief. You can actually, postpone surgery indefinitely for a certain percentage of patients as well.
Dr. Sigmund tells me each treatment takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, and depending on one's condition or pain, people usually have to go through about 6 to 10 treatments. Now, I have a lot more information about this therapy and, of course, the cost of it at rochesterfirst.com. In the studio, Allie Peters, News 8.
Very good. Thanks, Allie. There are 11 of these laser centers across the country, including the one here in Rochester, which is on Monroe Ave. The company is working on opening 22 others, including in Saratoga, Buffalo, and New York City. Coming up next.